5, 3, 2, 1. His points tally from Jamaica College. Kevin Brooks, the medalist last year, in a medal position now. It's Courtney Williams of Happy Grove on his tail in fourth. With a javelin throw, setting the scored. Rolling events over 2 days. Bruce, 17 boys have lined up for the final event. Of course, that lineup: Kevin Brooks, Calabar, Courtney Williams, Happy Grove, Yuri Rubek, Kevin Allen, and Jody Barrett of St. Jacob, Marlock, St. Elizabeth Technical, Asman, Elizabeth Heidel, Tamar Howard, St. Mary's College, White from Jonathan Grant, Charles of Jamaica College, Merton of Dingle Technical, Robinson of Port Antonio, Robinson of Excelsior High, Graham of Douglas Boys, Patrick of Kingston College, Salmon of Teachfield, and White, Damian White of Rose Hall.
This
Yeah, so this event moved from its originally scheduled time, and it's the final event, a grueling event to end the 2 grueling days of competition for these athletes. And that's why they believe they earned the title of best athletes in the world when you win the gold medal here. Here's Port Antonio's Shaquem Robinson. So a quick update on the result. The top 3 from the decathlon javelin boys: Dorian Charles, Jamaica College, 56.49. He was the best javelin throwers in the country this year. Isaiah Patrick, Kingston College in second, 49.68 meters. And Omar Locke, in the technical, 45.07. Javelin, the decathlon javelin record for Charles, Dorian Charles. As we have a look here, these athletes, of course, after so many events, really beginning to show the wear of the grit and determination is unquestionable and unmatched. 1093, Shaquem Robinson, Port Antonio. Any of them look forward to running this event to win? No one. Not even those who don't participate in this event. So getting a clap now from the fans front hand here now in the grandstand. Tavar Hammond, St. Mary's College. And Shaquem Robinson of Port Antonio. Athlete 1026 Osmond Bolt.
yourself in 5 years.
In the mix as well. So too is Courtney Williams of Happy Grove. Just behind. The meet record for the decathlon 1500, 4:24.94, 4 minutes 24.94 seconds. So coming into this final event, Dorian Charles chases Isaiah Patrick and is behind by 655 points. So Javier Marson of Dintil Technical. So there's Dintil for you, Bruce.
He's here. We haven't seen Sian Booker though.
So now the pace begins to get quicker. Javier Morrison, or Javier Morrison, Dintil Technical, begins to stride forward. And Tavar Hammond of St. Mary's College, lapping athlete. So Javier Morrison of Dintil Technical, Tavar Hammond, St. Mary's College, and Javier Morrison, Dintil, will have enough in the tank, even though
Hammond of St. Mary's College is now making a race of it, and he might have enough to get there, and he's being spurred on by the crowd, and he does get there in 4:37.25, and much to the bewilderment but the crowd loving it. Hammond sneaking through there.
So
That was an enterprising finish.
Dorian Charles has beaten Isaiah Patrick by 250 meters. He behind Patrick by 655 points coming to this final event. Wait to see the final time for Dorian Charles. But the final event providing drama. Sophia Morrison of Dint Hill thought he was comfortable with 100 meters to go. Kept checking. This is tough to do after 9 events.
The race still going on, Dwayne.
Yeah, Kingston College faithful cheering on Isaiah Patrick.
Yeah, he was one of the big competitors in this event. Or I should say he is one of the big competitors in this event.
You know, disqualified for that,
Talking about the overall
they
event
can't do that. They can't put your car to man feet as a brother.
And they're looking at the replay now.
Penalize the brother.
Javier Morrison, little did he know at the time that Tavar Hammond had sprouted wings and was about to fly by him. I think he was confounded.
Yo,